Greetings everyone. This is the demo video for DOCSPACE, a professional prescription writing software. So for this demo I am using a MacBook Pro, but the software can be used both in Mac and Windows. So let's get started. I am opening the software. So this is the main prescription form, and as you can see there are a number of fields that you need to fill, and for convenience the number of mandatory fields that you have to fill is very less, and you can see the red asterisks. The fields with red asterisks are the mandatory ones. You have to fill those or software will not let you go through and save the prescription. So the fields by default in the prescription form are the patient information field, chief complaints field, and 4 of the general examination fields, investigation field, and the treatment. So but if you need anything, any other, you can always have the option to add. So you can add by clicking it like this. So if I have added the advice fields. And so let's create a simple prescription to show you how it works. So I'm first filling the patient information field, and here you can have option for creating a new one, or you can also prescribe an older patient. So you can select from like this. So these are the 3 users patient I created before. For this demo I'll create a new one. Okay, so we are prescribing a patient called Nick Fury. He lives in Dhaka, male, age is 60 years. And these are the mandatory fields, and there are some optional fields as well. If you want to fill it, you can fill it. If you don't want to fill it, it's completely up to you. Now we have the patient information ready. Now we go and see why he's here. He's here because of cough. So as you see, when you start typing, it give you solution, and you can edit. You can just click it, or you can just click enter. And he's here for the problem is for the cough. It's for 5 days. Now we add it. So see that. And here's another problem. He's saying runny nose. As you can see, it's not in our list, but you can always add it. Type in by your own. You can add it there as well. 4 days. I've added it. So this is the 2 complaint of our patient. Now we go for general examination, and in the examination we found he has a pulse of 72 beats per minute, blood pressure is 120 by 80, hospital rate is 24, temperature is 81, SI 101. And if we need, we can add more from this list, but I'm not adding for this demo today. And for system examination, so as the complaint looks like it's in the respiratory system, I have added the respiratory system. All these fields you can fill. Nothing, no fields are mandatory, but the field you add will be shown in the prescription. So I added that I found his breath sound is bronchial. Okay, now I want to give him a couple of investigations. So I'm adding investigation like this. Now I want to give him another investigation. Okay, so for treatment I'll be giving a treatment for instruction is duration is 10 days. One LSET. Okay, so this is for the treatment section. Now I'm to add the advice I have a number of advices here which are most commonly used. But if you need anything, you can always type here. You can type all the fields. You can type Bangla or English, the language you want. And we want to give him a follow-up date that after doing all the investigations, we want him to come for a follow-up. So this is the field we have to add. And we have here, so you see next visit, we can use a custom date like which date you want to put. So today is Monday, so you can put anything, or you can use a predefined date. You have some number of days, maybe 7 days, 10 days. I will put that at 10 days. Okay, so at this point, our prescription is pretty much ready. Now we will save it and see how it looks. Okay, so this is our prescription, and as you can see, as I told you, these are the findings we put in the vital signs, and this is the respiratory findings we put in. This is here, and the chief complaints, and this is the doctor details, and this is the patient details. Now, this differential mind is to me it looks like a bit smaller in size. So let me increase it. Maybe this one. Okay. So now it looks good to me, decent to me. Probably now you don't want to add this field to the description. You can just always come here, remove this one, and add this one. Or probably you can see that our drug doesn't have the strength. By default, it's not there. You can always add it, remove it. Okay. And you see that we have 3 templates. So this is the minimal one, and I think this should be the most preferred one. So this is, you can always have, you can add the prescription pad. We have 8 of the samples. So this is 2 of them, you can see. Or if you want, you can choose the colored one. So probably this is the black and white. Probably I want to change the colors. And you can always save the configurations. If you save this configuration by clicking the Save Configuration button, then it will be saved for all the precision feature, and you can change it anytime you want. I will go back to the minimal one. That's the minimal one, and at this point I want to save this prescription to PDF. So, and yes, this is very important. So we need to check what we are prescribing, and I have gone through it very well, and I'm saying yes, and prescription is here. Now we can just click it and print it. So I'm not printing it currently, I'm cancelling it. So as you can see, it's a very easy software to use. It's mostly mouse clicks. There's some typing involved as well. Okay, so this is the prescription form I showed you. Now the prescription I created, it's been stored here. You can remember the patient name, it's Nick Fury. So you can always come back and see, and you can always come back here and edit the prescription like this. All the data are here, you can edit it. I'm not showing this in this demo. So I'm going back to this all prescriptions tab. So all the prescriptions are here. And this is all the patients you have seen so far. So you see, this is the one I created right now, Nick Fury. And this is a special feature of the prescription. It's called templates. And that's some feature demo. I'll show how to use templates. For now, it will be too much. It's already in 10 minutes. And this is the settings, and this is the you don't have to do anything here. This is the most important of all. So these two are most important: profile and settings. The profile is what we show all the doctor details. You see, Dr. Steve Rogers, he had all these details. You can change it anytime you want. You can create multiple of these things, and it will be reflected in the prescription right away. And these are the settings. So what is it to give export directory, and these are actually pretty self-explanatory. So it's getting too long for this video, demo video, and I believe you guys got some ideas about that. If you don't have, you can always comment in the section. You can contact me or you can contact DOCSPACE. And thank you very much.